21 days of battery life, a ridiculously bright 3000 nit screen, and dynamic new color accents. Huawei just dropped the flagship Watch GT 7 Pro, and while it keeps the aggressive aesthetic of its predecessor, the refinements under the hood and on your wrist are well worth talking about. In this video, we're breaking down all the specs, new software tricks, and pricing in under 4 minutes. Let's dive straight in. Starting with the build, Huawei isn't messing with a winning formula. You get an ultra-durable titanium case, a smooth ceramic back, and scratch-resistant sapphire glass over the screen. It boasts 5 ATM water resistance, making it completely safe for swimming and harsh weather. But visually, there are 2 big changes. Number 1, new accent colorways. Alongside the classic black finish, Huawei introduces a sleek silver case paired with vibrant green or yellow accents. Number 2, redesigned wristband. Engineered specifically for better ergonomics, flexibility, and all-day wrist comfort. Up front sits a 1.47-inch AMOLED panel with a crisp 466 by 466 resolution. The headline upgrade here is peak brightness, scaling up to an incredible 3000 nits, ensuring flawless outdoor readability even under blinding sunlight. While the hardware remains familiar, the real intelligence arrives in the software updates. Headlining the sports tracking is the all-new Pro Ski mode. It doesn't just record speed and elevation, it tracks maximum G-forces during downhill turns and integrates full route mapping for ski slopes right on your wrist. Beyond skiing, Huawei upgraded its core tracking algorithms for golf, real-time distance and swing metrics, cycling and running, enhanced route accuracy, power output estimates, and dynamic recovery tracking. Under the hood, health monitoring remains top tier. You get accurate 24/7 heart rate tracking, SpO2 blood oxygen saturation, body temperature monitoring, and a full medical-grade ECG sensor. Connectivity features include updated Bluetooth 6.0, built-in GPS, NFC for contactless payments, and a speaker microphone setup for wrist calling. And then there's battery life, where Huawei continues to dominate Apple and Samsung. Light usage, up to 21 days. Regular everyday use, 12 days. Always on display AOD, 7 full days. The Huawei Watch GT 7 Pro is currently available in China starting at yuan 2,688, which translates to roughly $399. Global availability and pricing details are expected soon. If you want rugged premium materials, weeks of battery life, and high-end outdoor metrics without charging your watch every night, the GT 7 Pro makes a serious statement. What do you think of those green and yellow color accents? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe to Teletech for more deep dives. See you in the next one.